In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks and effectively manage your expense transactions. Whether you're using QuickBooks for personal budgeting or business financial management, understanding how to edit expenses can be an essential skill in keeping your books clean and accurate. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take to edit an expense within QuickBooks. First, we're going to start by heading over to QuickBooks. If you're already familiar with how QuickBooks operates, this is a straightforward process, but for newcomers, a quick tip is to ensure you're logged into your account. Having all your credentials handy before starting ensures a smooth and uninterrupted experience. Once you're on QuickBooks, the place to focus on is the Expense section, prominently displayed on your dashboard or side menu, depending on your layout. This section is your gateway to managing anything related to outflows, from one-time purchases to recurring expenditures. Under Expense, you'll find an option labeled Expense Transactions. This is the key area where you can view a detailed list of all the expenses recorded. It's essentially a catalog of anything and everything you've spent that's been logged into QuickBooks, making it easy to search and amend as necessary. Now, when you click on Expense Transactions, be prepared to see a detailed overview of your expenses displayed chronologically or categorized however you've set it. This overview is invaluable because it provides context, allowing you to see expense patterns or outliers that might need attention. At this point, your task is to identify which specific expense you wish to edit. You might be looking to correct an input error, update a vendor's information, or adjust the amounts to reflect actual spending more accurately. Once you've honed in on the specific transaction you need to amend, QuickBooks makes it simple to edit. Just find the transaction from your list and click on it. This action opens up a detailed view of the expense, showing entries like date, vendor, amount, and the category it falls under. QuickBooks' intuitive design ensures that all these elements are straightforward to adjust. Simply click on the fields you need to change, make your corrections, and ensure all information now reflects what you require. Double-check to ensure everything aligns as intended. Miscategorization or incorrect entries can lead to discrepancies in your financial reporting, so take a moment to verify. After you've made all necessary adjustments, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, generally located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save ensures that your edits are recorded, updating your expense transactions accordingly. And there you have it. Your changes are made and your record set accurately. That's how you manage and edit expense transactions within QuickBooks. Whether you're maintaining personal accounts or handling a company's finances, keeping your expense records precise is crucial. Regularly updating your expenses helps maintain clarity and integrity in your financial data. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.